now we're visiting Shimori Dairyland on the valley.
Let me introduce ourselves. My name is Amalia dari kita number 3.
My name is Devina Gita, number 6.
My name is Alwa Sosam Semadani, number 29.
My name is Septiana Rizky, absent 32.
This is place to buy ticket.
So, cause we choose Dairyland package, we got this. Ini tiketnya,
Card.
single ticket,
Pieces of yogurt Shimori.
and this is the
voucher.
discount. Yeah.
Nice.
Hi.
Oh my god, so beautiful. So pretty. Hi! Say hi! Eee. Quack quack. So cute.
So we use internet. It's free. Yes. And
Hi,
now
this is Sumatran Parsapin.
landak, or in bahasa Indonesia landak. Wow, two porcupine.
And this is from Sumatra.
Salah, what this is? Wow, it's so big turtle. There is a two Amboina box turtle. Oh my god.
As known as red ear slider. Bahasa
Where
lainnya
is she? It's she. This is
Mana?
there.
Ini.
Oh, there too.
Hi.
What's your name?
Orang gila ditanya.
Hey, it's crocodile process.
Hi. You're so pretty.
Not scary with the icon. Look at this. Salwa is.
Viran.
Did you know a chocolate python, the longest in the world?
Oh my god.
Albino python. Now Asian fine snake. Fine snake. I don't see. Can you see it?
The size is more
Asian fine
Little.
snake.
lebih
I
kecil
don't
daripada yang
know.
tadi.
And now Ringclip lizard, ular sanca, the longest in the world. Wow. Nih. Hello, we're non-cultural animal. We spend our time sleeping and resting during the day.
And we only became active at night. Therefore, we have sharper sense of sight, smell, and hearing to assist our nighttime activities.
Wow.
So there are many trees, greeny landscape for Shimori Dairyland. We meet our family, our siblings. Sibling and twins. Hey, this this is locket for ticket and snack, and this is to top up counter, and this is bird aviary area. There are many birds. So cute.
Hey. Lari ke sini kan?
What the dog doing?
Look at this rabbit,
So cute.
and this is Chai Garden, but this is not Pak Holis.
The advantages of Dairyland are the beautiful atmosphere and lots of trees. The air is fresh, the animals are well cared for, and the costs are affordable.
Bisa keluar nggak ini?
What the dog doing?
The disadvantages of Dairyland are that the facilities are being repaired, especially toilets and prayer rooms. Weekends are busier with visitors, and there are several stairs that have to be climbed in the dairy farm area, which is a bit tiring. You can come early so there aren't too many visitors. You can order tickets via the website or online because there are promos and you don't need to queue at the ticket counter.